Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done like a true cleaning video, so I'm here today to do just that. The AC is currently broken in our house, so this is probably not going to be a long video. I actually wanted to do like a super deep clean of my whole house today, but it is now 80 degrees in here, so there's just no way that's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna do an all over tidy up basically, and yeah, we're just gonna go from there. It's pretty messy. I will show some before pictures, maybe, I don't know, maybe not. I just want to get this over with because it's a mess. I'm about to have an AC guy come over, so I just want to tidy up real quick. But yeah, so let's just get blowing.
If that's just what I gotta die, it's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore.
As always, we are starting in the kitchen with the dishes, and then for some reason I get sidetracked and I start doing something else. So this video is very all over the place. I wasn't going to do a video today because it is so hot in this house. Like I said in the intro, our AC is broken. I am still waiting for the AC guy to get here. He said he would be here between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. It is now 11:32 a.m. So it's looking like he's gonna come closer towards probably 1 p.m., which totally sucks, but I'm just grateful that my landlord was able to get right on top of it and get someone scheduled last night when the AC broke to come today and get it fixed. Hopefully it will be fixed today and we won't have to go and stay at my father-in-law's house tonight, because obviously with a 3-year-old and living in Florida, you don't want to not have AC. Like, it's pretty horrible. Thank God for all of the really nice ceiling fans that are in this house, because if it wasn't for that, her and I would be completely miserable right now. We do not have a second car, so it's not like we can go somewhere. Trust me, if I had a car, I would be at my father-in-law's house right now, because we do have our own key for their house, but I don't have a car to get there. It's way too hot to walk over there. Anyway, so hopefully he will be here soon and not closer towards 1, but we're just kind of hanging out today, her and I, sitting directly under the ceiling fans, and then I have my box fan from our bedroom going, and I have a little personal size fan going, so hopefully it won't be too completely miserable until the AC guy gets here, and hopefully, like I said, it'll be fixed today. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I haven't been on here very much. I've been dealing with a lot. Obviously, my father did pass away, so I have been dealing with, the feelings of going through that whole ordeal and then not being able to go to his funeral and everything like that. It's been really rough for me mentally. Basically since we moved, honestly, if I'm being completely honest, it is something that I am working on, and I get better day by day, and some days are worse than others, but the past few days have been pretty good, so I'm holding on to that hope that everything is slowly going to get better. And just know that if you do suffer from mental health issues like I do have depression, anxiety, as well as PTSD. I am on medications. I also have chronic insomnia, which I do smoke. I do smoke medical marijuana for my insomnia, and it has definitely changed my life as far as my sleep goes. Some nights, have been rough lately because of everything that I've been dealing with, but it's getting there. So yeah. In one part of this video, I was holding up my spray away bottles and my Mrs. Meyer's, and that's because I finally got some. I have been waiting. It is rough when you move and you basically start all over again in life, because we moved from South Florida to Central Florida. This move and this house took every penny we had. We've had to borrow money. We have been broke. My husband just now started getting, steady paychecks through his new job, and it's been a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. It has definitely been a struggle, but I can tell you what, although it's been a struggle financially, and we're just now getting back into the vibe of everything and being able to pay all the bills and everything like that. Even though it's been a stress in that aspect, it has been much better in the aspect of like our happiness and his stress levels, because his old job was very, very, very hard on him, very stressful. He hated going to work, and now he actually looks forward to going to work. So it's definitely been trial and error, I guess you could say that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and let's just get glowing.
Any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
As you can see right there, I was so hot, I went and got my personal little bedside fan that I keep in my room, out of my room, and I set it up right in front of me.
To watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
finally got myself one of those circle water bottle things, and I think it's defective. It's either defective or maybe I have it too tight, but it leaks water everywhere. Like, as you can see, it was leaking water everywhere. And like, as soon as I open it, it just start putting water all over me. So that kind of sucks, but yes, I finally got one.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
I have gained so much weight dealing with everything that I've been dealing with, because I am very much a person who eats her feelings, and it's definitely showing in this video, which totally sucks. But I am officially, as of today, what's today's date? If my Fitbit would work, it is September 12th. So officially today, I am starting fresh with my healthy lifestyle, and I'm going to get myself together because my husband and I are going to have a nice, fun parents' night out and do Halloween Horror Nights this year, which is super exciting. I haven't done it since I was pregnant with Mia, and he hasn't done it since Mia was born. He actually went when I was pretty far along in my pregnancy, and he really enjoyed himself, but I haven't been in 3 years, and this is a yearly tradition for us, or I should say it was. So I'm super duper excited to be able to go this year, and so yeah, I'm super excited. We're gonna have a babysitters for Mia, and it's just gonna be a really good time, and I want to not only look better, because I want to try to lose 10 pounds before we go, because we're going at the end of this month, and but I just want to feel better. I want to be able to walk around the park and not be so out of breath and like so sweaty and having the chafing and everything like that. So my husband and I are going to do a team effort, and we're going to do this thing together. So we're eating better starting today, and we're going to be working out, and it should be interesting time. I'm actually pretty excited to get back into the whole healthy lifestyle game. I haven't really been consistent with it in quite some time, so I'm looking forward to getting back into it.
As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake us.
I always do this. I always point the camera in the wrong direction, so I apologize. You guys can't even see what I'm doing in the other living room, but I'm basically picking up all of Mia's toys and fixing the pillows on the couch.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you.
By this part in the video, I was drenched in sweat. I was freaking struggling to breathe. It was so hot and so stuffy, and that is why this video is super short. You don't even see me mopping the floors, making the beds. I need to clean my bathrooms. Like, they need a super deep clean, and you will not be seeing any of that in this video because I decided to just cut the video off and wait until the AC guy comes and fixes the AC, and then I will do those things probably tomorrow and have another video tomorrow. So I do apologize for that. And again, I apologize you guys weren't able to see me cleaning up the living room there. So I'm just quickly sweeping some crumbs and stuff from some cereal that Mia had gotten everywhere, because of course she did. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow, unless the AC is not fixed, and then you will see me once the AC is fixed, because I refuse to deep clean this house until I have AC. Like, it was torture just doing this quick little tidy up. So yeah.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you do